Hey, it's Rob, the Ignorant Entrepreneur. Want to know how this single mom earns $10,000 a month on Outschool? Not sure about you, but I'd never even heard about this terminology before reading into it. She says, I would have never been able to make as much money as a regular teacher. And she's right. Jade Weatherington had been teaching English on various websites for a decade, juggling multiple gigs and homeschooling her now 13-year-old daughter, when in 2018 she discovered Outschool, a platform offering classes for kids ages 3 through 18. Subjects range anything from cooking to guitar, geography, the works. Well, to begin with, she created two courses, one in arts and crafts and the other in mastering the 5-paragraph essay. Though the first month she brought in just $32, which is pretty good for a startup. I mean, I don't know too many people who bring in any money their first month. By the third month, Weatherington made nearly $5,000 from those two classes alone. Seeing the potential, she realized she needed to offer a class every day of the week, she said. So she quit her other gigs and began expanding her repertoire. Today, she teaches 9 classes about writing and grammar on Outschool, working 10 to 12 hours per week, and she nets $10,000 per month. Sorry, I got a little passionate there. I would have never been able to make as much money as a regular teacher. I quote. Now let's dive a little deeper into how Weatherington was able to build her hustle and her advice for anyone curious to replicate her success. With more and more students signing up every month, Weatherington quickly realized that the 5-paragraph essay concept was a hit. Parents would message me, she said, and say, "What's next?" So she made the Mastering the 5 Paragraphs essay part 2. And then, of course, the parents moved to ask if she had semester-long essay writing classes, so she developed some. She made different variations that would cater to younger kids, as well as a various one-time class that would give kids and parents the chance to see what she was like as a teacher before they committed to a multi-class course. So, what do we take from this? Her success, in part, has really been about listening to the clientele and expanding accordingly, building on what they wanted and offering similar opportunities. The other secret to her success is that she invested in building relationships with both the kids she's teaching and their parents. She would have conversations with them after lessons. Word of mouth was the biggest part of her success. She didn't do too much marketing. And lastly, of course, you know you want to teach something you're passionate about. You can't fool kids, she says. They'll know if you don't like what you're doing. Like most of us, right? More importantly, investing time in your work on Outschool will be both easier and much more fun if you actually enjoy the subject matter. Teach what you're passionate about. This is amazing. I am always super amazed to find out all these new opportunities that people are getting engaged in to make money, doing what they enjoy doing. Like and subscribe. I want to thank my new subscribers. I know I just had a pretty viral video. I thank you. I appreciate you. See what I'm doing there? All right. Hope to see you in the next video. I'm out.